Hey guys, look at this. This is the Panasonic Lumix DMC-LC5, and honestly, I think this might be one of the coolest forgotten compact cameras you can still use in 2026. Now I know what you're thinking, it's 4 megapixels. Early 2000 digital camera, and why would anybody still use this today? But after shooting this camera, I finally understand why people are falling in love again with old CCD cameras. So on today's vlog, let's talk about why this tiny vintage Lumix is always inside my pocket. But before we continue, if you're into honest camera reviews, vintage camera discoveries, and real-world street photography content, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking videos every week. First of all, just look at this thing. This camera doesn't even look like a normal compact camera. It actually looks more like a tiny Leica rangefinder. And that's probably because Panasonic already had a Leica partnership during this time. You even get a Leica DC lens here with 35mm equivalent focal range of 33 to 100mm. And honestly, the design still looks premium, even today. The grip feels amazing, the buttons are simple, and the best part, this camera makes people curious. When you walk around shooting street photography with this, people think you are using some rare vintage Leica. But the real reason why people love cameras like this is not the spec. It's not the look. Modern cameras today are super sharp, super clean, almost too perfect. But old CCD cameras like these Panasonics have character. The colors feel nostalgic, the highlights bloom differently, the noise actually looks beautiful, and sometimes imperfection makes photo feel more alive. Now, let's talk about the image quality. Yes, it's only 4 megapixel, but honestly, for Instagram, social media, and even small prints, it looks surprisingly good. And the CCD sensor gives this really unique rendering, especially during daylight. The colors feel warm, the contrast look natural, and straight out of the camera, the photos are already personality. I think one of the reasons why vintage digital cameras are becoming popular again is because modern cameras became too good. Everything is ultra sharp, everything looks clinical, but cameras like this remind us photography is not always about perfection. Sometimes the emotion matters more. So, who is this camera for in 2026? If you are a pixel peeper, honestly, this is not for you. But if you love vintage digital aesthetics, CCD colors, casual street photography, pocket cameras, nostalgic photography vibes, then this camera is honestly still super fun today. So yeah guys, this Panasonic Lumix DMC-LC5 might be old, but sometimes old cameras give you feeling that modern cameras cannot. And that's exactly why this camera is now always inside my pocket. Anyway guys, let me know in the comments. Would you still use 4 megapixel camera in 2026? And I'll see you in the next vlog.